So, you are a client with Practical Tax Solutions. You've had your introduction call with myself or Summer, and now it's officially time to get your case moving. So, what does that mean for you, and what do you have to do on your part? Well, one very important word: participation. In order for us to work your case, whether it's for preparation or resolution, we cannot do that without your help. Let's take tax preparation, for example. I am really great at my job, and so is Rebecca, but we are not magicians and we are not mind readers. We don't know if you purchased a home last year. We don't know if you got married or divorced. We have no idea if you bought a electric vehicle. These are things that we have to know, which is why we send you a form called a tax organizer. Those are a bunch of yes or no questions, and it tells us that information. I cannot fill that form out for you. You have to do that for you. Otherwise, your taxes will be completely wrong, not right, and will more than likely cause an audit from the IRS. Now, you also have to make sure that during your time here that you are responding to us. We reach out via three forms of communication. That's a phone call, text messages, and email. Email is one of the very important things that we utilize to communicate with our clients because a lot of the information that we need to know, such as questions about the forms that you filled out, document collection, all of that is going to come in the form of email. And if you're not checking it or you're not in the habit of checking it, maybe try to get a little bit better with that. Set a reminder that, hey, once a week while I'm laying in bed, instead of scrolling on TikTok, I'm going to check my email and see if Jessica reached out to me. Another thing is, I come across a lot of people who don't have voicemail set up. Now, I get it. I don't want to answer the phone either, and I certainly don't want the scammers and the creditors and everybody else calling and leaving me 100 messages a day. But when you're dealing with taxes, it's important that I'm able to get in touch with you and leave vital information that is important for you to hear, especially if you haven't been responding to my emails. So please make sure that when you become a client with us, or if you're a current client, that you are responding to those emails, you're answering those phone calls and those text messages. I have a lot of people who work overnight. Some of them are truckers and they can't stop what they're doing and answering my phone calls, which is understandable. But I tell you what, I will get text messages at 3 o'clock in the morning when I come in and they've answered my questions for me. So where there is a will, there is a way. And if you want out of this tax situation, participation is key.